We want to solve the following inequalities and indicate the solution on a number line. Here we have 5 minus 2x is greater than or equal to 9. One approach we could take here is to subtract 5 from both sides. If we do so, on the left we just get left with minus 2x. On the right, 9 take away 5 is 4. We could now get x by dividing both sides by minus 2. But this is where we have to be careful. If we multiply or divide both sides of an inequality by a negative number, we have to reverse the direction of the inequality sign. 4 divided by minus 2 is minus 2. Note the reversal of the sign. This is the one difference between working with inequalities and working with equations. There is a second approach we could use, which doesn't involve us having to remember to reverse the inequality sign when we divide by the negative number. We could start with the 5 minus 2x is greater than or equal to 9. Adding 2x to both sides leaves us with 5 on the left and gives us 9 plus 2x on the right. Now subtract 9 from both sides and we get minus 4 is greater than or equal to 2x. We can divide both sides by 2. There's no problem if we divide by a positive number. Minus 4 divided by 2 is minus 2. The inequality sign stays the same way round, and on the right we get x. If you like to write this with the letter on the left, just make sure that the pointy end of the inequality still faces the same thing. You see that we get the same answer. The method you use is your choice. Personally, I often find that I forget to reverse the direction of the inequality sign when I divide by a negative, so I tend to use the second method. We now want to indicate this on the number line. Here's minus 2, less than or equal to means a filled-in circle and an arrow extending to the left. Now consider 4x minus 5 is less than 2x minus 1. The smaller number of x's is 2x. Subtract 2x from both sides. On the left we'll now have 2x minus 5 since we've removed 2 x's, and on the right we just have minus 1. Now add 5 to both sides. On the left we just have 2x. On the right, minus 1 add 5 is 4. Divide both sides by 2 and we have x is less than 2. We want to indicate this on a number line. Here's 2. Less than 2 means a blank circle and an arrow extending to the left.